In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF in Behance. If you've tried to upload a PDF as project content, you've likely seen it won't display like images. That's because Behance doesn't support PDFs as visual project elements. The simple workaround is to attach your PDF as a downloadable asset, also called a source file. This lets viewers grab the original file, perfect for resumes or high-res brochures. It also preserves image quality, typography, and layout exactly as you designed them. Here is how to set it up. Open the project you want to update and switch to edit mode in the right-hand panel. Find source files or attach assets. That's where Behance collects downloadable materials for your project. Click to add a file and choose your PDF. Behance supports files up to 100 megabytes. So before you upload, confirm your document is under that limit. If it's close, consider optimizing the size ahead of time so the upload is smooth. Once selected, let the PDF finish uploading and it will appear in the attached assets list. A stable connection helps prevent failed uploads, especially with larger files. Next, set the asset's visibility to public. Public visibility ensures anyone viewing your project can download the PDF without special access. If your goal is broad sharing, recruiters grabbing your resume, or clients, saving a spec sheet public is the right choice. Your visuals and text remain as they are, and the PDF sits alongside the project as a clearly labeled download. To make things even clearer, give the PDF a concise, descriptive file name so visitors know what they're getting. You can also add a short note in your project description that a downloadable PDF is available, which helps people find it fast. Remember, the PDF won't display inline on the project canvas. Viewers will see it in the source files area as a download link. And that's it. Thanks for watching.